If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. To remit sales tax payments to a tax agency, if using the Auto Sales Tax feature in QuickBooks Online, hover over the Taxes link in the navigation bar and then click the Sales Tax link in the side menu that appears to open the Sales Tax page to the right. In the Sales Tax page, you can see the current sales tax due for the selected dates for the taxing agencies. To show sales tax information for a time interval, select a month and year combination from both the From and To drop-downs. Then click the Refresh button to refresh the sales tax information. The sales tax due and upcoming taxes appear in the due and upcoming sections. You may even see an overdue section appear if you don't pay your sales tax on time. You can click the View Return button for any time period shown in the due or overdue sections to show the related return with instructions on how to pay the sales tax in a new return window that opens. Follow the instructions for the sales tax agency to make the payment in real life and then record the payment in QuickBooks. To add a sales tax adjustment in this window, click the Add an Adjustment link to open the Add an Adjustment pane at the right side of the window. Select the reason for the sales tax adjustment from the Reason drop-down. Select the date of the adjustment from the Adjustment Date calendar drop-down. Select the account affected by the adjustment from the Account drop-down. Then enter the amount of the adjustment into the Amount field. You can enter a positive or negative amount as needed to reflect if the adjustment increases or decreases the sales tax owed. Then click the Add button in the lower right corner of the pane to add the adjustment. You can repeat this as needed to add any additional adjustments you require to the sales tax payment. To record the sales tax payment, click the Record Payment button to open the Record Payment window. If you haven't already, follow the instructions shown to pay the sales taxes in real life. To then record the payment in QuickBooks Online, ensure the amount shown in the Amount field is correct. Then select the date of the payment from the Payment Date calendar drop-down. Then select from which bank account to make the payment by selecting a bank account from the Bank Account drop-down. To print a check when you record the payment, check the Print Check checkbox. Then click the Record Payment button to finish and record the sales tax payment. The return information then appears on the final Review Your Sales Tax screen. You can click the Back to Sales Tax Center button to return to the sales tax page. To view this information in the future if needed, just click the View Return button for the desired previous period in the Paid section in the sales tax page to reopen it. Alternatively, to view past sales tax returns, click the History button in the upper right corner of the sales tax page to show the history of sales tax payments. Then click the View Return button for the desired previous payment to view its information if needed. You can then close the return by clicking the X button in its upper right corner when finished. To return to the sales tax page, you can click the Back to Sales Tax link in the upper left corner of the History page if needed. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.